No knowledge is lost. To this end, students of Law Foundation Model School paid a visit to Nta Ijebu Ode to learn more, especially the practical aspect of what a broadcast station entails. Zainab Okpeniyi reports that the excursion is also meant to guide them in their chosen career as broadcasters.
The brief trip of Law Foundation Model School students to Nta Ijebu Ode is to gain more experience in broadcasting as well as get more enlightened about activities in the station. While taking the pupils round the different departments in the station, the administrative officer, Mr. Kehinde Gbadeyan, explained some of the activities expected in the different departments. Mr. Tope Ajayi, who is one of the engineers, explained the operations in both the control room as well as the studio.
We have the zonal centers, we have the state station, and we have community station. Here you have today, we fall under community station. And that's why we call ourselves Nigerian Television Authority, Ijebu Ode, the Heritage Station.
Say it again. What of this one?
Compact disc.
Compact disc CD. This one is called
Video mixer.
That one is called
Audio mixer.
Filled with excitement, some of the students narrated their experiences.
But I learned about things in the studio, which are the monitor, the computer system, the big lights, the camera, which the small one and the big camera.
I learned that the leader of the community station is the officer in charge. Then the leader of the state center is the general manager.
Mr. Ifeoluwa Ogunsoya, one of the tutors in Law Foundation Model School, said the visit has given the students a lifetime experience and exposure which is beyond classroom.
Yeah, I believe that the excursion would give them exposure as to know how the news is being casted, the various segments that categorizes or that forms up the NTA.
The purpose of the excursion is to expose the children to the media, to make them understand how media function, to make them really experience how the practical process of broadcasting, how it is, as in to make them experience it.
He advised parents and guardians to accord their wards this opportunity once in a while. In Ijebu Ode, Zainab Okpeniyi, NTA News.